Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Learning Podcast by Mark and Emma. I am Mark, and I am so excited to be here with you all today.
Good morning, Mark, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It is wonderful to be back. How are things going with you today, Mark?
Well, Emma, things are good, but honestly, I had a very awkward moment this morning. I am still thinking about it.
Oh, no, really? What happened, Mark? Did you spill coffee on your shirt again?
No, worse. I was in the elevator. The CEO walked in, just me and him, for 10 floors.
Ooh, the classic elevator ride. That can be stressful. Did you say anything?
I said good morning, and then I just stared at the numbers changing. 1, 2, 3. It was so quiet. The silence was so loud. I wanted to say something, but my mind went completely blank. I didn't know how to start small talk.
Don't worry, Mark. That is a nightmare for everyone, even native speakers. We call that dead air, and it feels very uncomfortable. But you know what? That is the perfect topic for today's episode.
You mean I'm not the only one who freezes?
Definitely not. Many people think small talk is easy because the topics are simple, but actually, it is a skill. It is the art of talking about nothing to build a connection with someone.
The art of talking about nothing. I like that. I really need this skill, Emma. I want to be able to chat comfortably without panicking.
Then you are in the right place. Today, we are going to learn the secrets of native-level small talk. We will cover how to kill the one-word answer, the magic of echoing, safe topics like the weather, and most importantly, how to exit a conversation politely.
That sounds perfect. Let's dive in. So, Emma, where did I go wrong in the elevator?
Well, Mark, let's start with the basics. The most common small talk situation isn't the elevator. It's the Monday morning question. When you walk into the office, what do people usually ask you?
Usually, how was your weekend? Or how are you?
Nods. Exactly. Now, let's role play. I am your coworker. Hey, Mark, how was your weekend?
Good, thanks.
And?
That's it. It was good. I answered the question.
Okay, cut. Mark, that is the number one mistake English learners make. You just killed the conversation.
I killed it? But Emma, good is a positive word. I was polite.
You were polite, yes, but you were a conversation stopper. If you just say good or fine, I have nothing else to say to you. It creates that awkward silence you hate.
Ah, I see. It's like hitting a tennis ball into a wall. It doesn't come back. So what is the secret, Emma?
The secret is the answer plus add rule. You must answer the question and then immediately add one small detail.
Answer plus add. Okay, can you show me an example?
Sure. If you ask me how was your weekend, I don't just say good. I say, it was great. I actually went hiking with my dog.
Oh, now I want to ask you about your dog or where you went hiking.
Smiling. Exactly. That little extra detail, the hiking, the dog, that is a hook. It gives you something to catch on to. It invites you to keep talking.
That makes so much sense. It takes the pressure off the other person. Okay, let me try again. Ask me about my weekend, Emma.
Okay, I am ready. Hey, Mark, good morning. How was your weekend?
It was really relaxing, thanks. I finally watched that new sci-fi movie everyone is talking about.
Oh, really? The one with the aliens? I've been wanting to see that. Was it good?
Yes, it was amazing. See, it works. We are having a conversation.
Perfect, Mark. That felt so natural. You gave me a hook, the movie, and I grabbed it.
But Emma, what if my weekend was boring? What if I did absolutely nothing? I don't want to lie.
You should never lie. Doing nothing is actually a very popular topic. Native speakers love relaxing. You can say, it was nice. I just stayed home and did nothing. I really needed the rest.
I really needed the rest. I think I say that every Monday.
Me too. And that builds a connection. We bond over being tired. So remember, listeners, don't just say good. Use answer plus add.
Okay, Emma, I have the weekend covered. But what about Tuesday or Wednesday? By Wednesday, the weekend is old news. What do we talk about then?
That brings us to the most classic, stereotypical British and American topic, the weather.
The weather? Really? Isn't that a bit boring?
It is boring, Mark, but that is why it works. The weather is a safe zone. Everyone experiences the weather. You don't need to know someone's private life to talk about the rain. It is neutral ground.
That makes sense. It's safe. So do I just say, it is raining?
You could, but again, that is just a fact. It's a bit robotic. Native speakers usually add an opinion or a shared feeling.
A shared feeling about rain? Like what?
Instead of it is raining, say, wow, it is pouring out there. I'm so glad I brought my umbrella. Or terrible weather today, isn't it? I can't wait for summer.
I see. So I add my feeling. Let me try. Instead of it is hot, I can say, wow, it is boiling today. I hope the air conditioning is working in the office.
Yes, perfect. I hope the AC is working. That is relatable. Now the other person can agree with you. They might say, me too, it's like an oven outside.
Like an oven. I like that expression. What if the weather is actually nice, Emma?
Then you can use a very common native phrase. Beautiful day, isn't it? It's a shame we are stuck inside working.
It's a shame we are stuck inside. I love that. It builds a team spirit because we are both victims of the office.
Nods. Exactly. Complaining a little bit together is a great way to bond. We call it shared misery. It brings people together.
So, rule number 2, don't just state the weather fact. Add a feeling or an opinion.
Confirming. You've got it. Simple, clear, polite.
Okay, Emma, I have a bigger fear. What if the other person is talking and they keep talking and I don't know what to say next? I don't want to just stand there nodding like a bobblehead doll.
Active listening. This is crucial. You want to show you are listening without interrupting their flow.
Exactly, but sometimes my English brain freezes. I can't think of a clever question fast enough.
I have a secret weapon for you, Mark. It is called the echo technique.
The echo technique? Do I just repeat everything they say? That sounds annoying.
Not everything. You just repeat the last 2 or 3 words they said, but you say it with a question intonation. Your voice goes up at the end.
Can you show me?
Sure. Tell me something about your morning commute, Mark.
Well, traffic was terrible. I had to take a detour through the old part of the city.
The old part of the city?
Yes, near the river. I actually saw a new bakery opening there.
A new bakery?
Yeah, it looked amazing. They had these huge cinnamon rolls in the window. I might go back later.
Stop there. Do you see what happened?
Wow, you didn't ask a real question. You just repeated my words. The old part of the city? A new bakery?
Exactly. But because I repeated them with curiosity, you felt that I was interested. It made you do all the work. You gave me more details without me having to think of complex grammar.
That is magic. I barely have to think. I just listen for the key word and bounce it back.
It makes people feel heard. It validates them. And it buys you time to think of a real question if you want to.
I love buying time. Just don't do it too much, right? Or I will sound like a parrot.
Like a parrot?
Hey, you just did it to me.
I couldn't resist. But yes, use it naturally. It keeps the flow going effortlessly.
Okay, let's go back to my nightmare scenario. The elevator, or the office kitchen while waiting for the microwave to beep. These are short moments. I don't have time to ask about their weekend or their hiking trip.
Right. In an elevator, you have maybe 30 seconds. You don't want a deep conversation. For this, you need a short observation.
A short observation? You mean commenting on something we can both see?
Yes, comment on the immediate environment.
Like, this elevator is slow today?
Perfect. That works every time. Or if you are getting coffee, you can say, that smells good. Is that the hazelnut roast?
Okay. What if I see them holding a huge stack of papers or looking tired?
Be careful with looking tired. That can sound rude. But you can say, looks like a busy day.
Looks like a busy day. That is safe.
It is very safe. It gives them a choice. If they want to talk, they will say, oh yes, so busy, I have a deadline. If they don't want to talk, they can just smile and say, yep, it's low pressure.
I like low pressure. So just observe something happening right now. How about the printer is broken again?
The broken printer is the classic workplace bonding experience. Everyone hates the broken printer. Complaining about office equipment is a great way to make friends.
I think I can handle the elevator now. Just a short observation. Going to the 5th floor.
Perfect. Friendly, brief, polite.
Now, what about compliments? Can I tell a coworker they look nice? I want to be friendly, but I don't want to be weird.
This is tricky in English-speaking workplaces, Mark. You have to be careful not to be too personal.
Oh, so I shouldn't say, you look beautiful today?
No. Definitely not in a professional setting. Avoid comments on the body or generic appearance. It can be unprofessional or make people uncomfortable.
So what can I compliment, Emma?
Compliment things or actions, things they chose or work they did.
Things they chose, like clothes.
Yes, but specific items. Instead of "you look good," say "I like your shoes," or "that's a cool tie," or inanimate objects, "nice laptop case."
Ah, so focus on the object, not the person. Nice glasses is okay?
Nice glasses is great. Nice eyes is too romantic for the office. Keep the romance out of the copy room, Mark.
Got it. No romance in the copy room. Focus on objects. What about work compliments?
Those are the best. Great presentation today, or "you handled that client really well." Everyone loves to hear that they did a good job.
Good job in the meeting, Emma.
Thanks, Mark. See? That makes me feel good and professional.
Okay, Emma. I have started the conversation. We talked about the weather. I echoed their words. I complimented their shoes. But here is the hard part. How do I stop?
The exit strategy. This is so important. You don't want to be trapped talking about the weather for 20 minutes when you have work to do.
Exactly. Sometimes I just look at my watch and say bye and run away. Is that rude?
A little bit rude. You need a transition phrase. You need to signal that you are leaving before you leave.
What is a good signal? Is there a magic word?
There is. The magic word is anyway.
Anyway? Just that?
You say anyway with a falling tone and then give a reason to leave. Like this. Anyway, I better get back to work.
Anyway, I better get back to work. It sounds final.
It is. It signals the end. Or you can say, anyway, I should get going. I have a meeting in 5 minutes.
Anyway, my coffee is getting cold. See you later.
Perfect. It's polite but firm. It tells the other person the chat is finished, but you are not angry.
That is so useful. Anyway is the bridge back to work.
Yes, it saves you from awkward silences at the end.
Wow, Emma, we have covered so much today. The weekend, the weather, echoing, elevators, compliments, and the exit strategy.
You are ready to be a small talk master, Mark. No more staring at your shoes in the elevator.
Let's do a quick review for our listeners. I know they love the rapid fire section. I will say the situation, you give me the phrase. Ready?
I was born ready. Let's do it.
Situation. Someone asks, how was your weekend?
Phrase, answer, plus add. It was great. I went to the park with my kids.
Situation. You need to talk about the weather.
Add a feeling. It's freezing. I need some hot coffee right now.
Situation. You don't know what to say next.
The echo. Repeat the last few words with a question mark. The new coffee shop?
Situation. You are in the elevator and it's quiet.
Short observation. Looks like a busy day today.
Situation. You want to compliment a coworker.
Focus on objects. I really like your shoes. Or great presentation this morning.
Situation. You need to end the conversation.
The magic word. Anyway, I better get back to work.
Brilliant. Simple, clear, polite.
That is our motto.
Thank you so much, Emma. I feel much better about going to the office kitchen now. I might even go find the CEO and talk about the weather.
You will do great, Mark. Just remember, everyone feels a little awkward sometimes. Just smile, use the echo technique, and be interested.
I have a challenge for our listeners.
Oh, what is the challenge for this week?
Listeners, tomorrow, when you get coffee or see a colleague, try the answer plus add technique. Don't just say good. Add one small detail, even if it's just, good, I had a nice breakfast.
Great challenge. Start small. You don't need to have a long conversation. Just break the ice.
Exactly. Well, that is all for today.
Anyway, Mark, I better get going. I have a meeting to prepare for.
I see what you did there. Nice exit, Emma.
Thanks. See you next time, everyone.
Cheerfully, bye everyone. Keep practicing your English.